Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Voger PriorPad X100 tablet. It's a 10-inch tablet with Android 10.0, 2GB RAM, 32GB of storage. It has a dual camera with 2 megapixel and 8 megapixel and screen resolution of 1280 by 800, IPS HD display, dual Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth, and it has a quad-core processor, and it's available on Amazon. Has pretty good reviews. Comes is this nice box here. You can see also the key features here. Really nice box. You can use this also as a gift. So this is what we get. Really nice tablet, charger, charging cable, small instructions manual, and it even comes with a nice screen protector. So it's really important to peel it carefully off, so you leave the original screen protector underneath. So I've set up the tablet and added a couple of apps and did a lot of testing, and so far everything is looking good. By the way, if you see these strange lines here, this is just because of my camera. It has nothing to do with the tablet. The screen actually looks pretty good. You can see it even nicely from the side. I mean, of course, it's a little bit mirroring, but you can definitely still see it very good. It has a really high or wide viewing angle, and you can see that you can turn on automatic screen rotation. It works pretty good. I have tested all the insides of the tablets, and it has been confirmed everything, like the RAM and the ROM and CPU and everything looks really legit. There is no scam, no nothing. Even Android version, it's definitely Android 10. There are a couple of things which are of course limited with this tablet. It doesn't have any kind of GPS. I've tested also the performance with the Geekbench. Of course, it is pretty limited. Of course, we cannot expect high performance usually with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. But I will be able to show you also a couple of highlights. I'll tell you, I have also a couple of nice apps which are running really good. So for example, this is a weather app which needs quite some performance, and you can see you can scroll through the whole thing really fast. Also, when we go to a newsreader, so let's say with the Google newsreader, you can see you can scroll down very smooth, really fast. So you can click on anything in detail. Sometimes it needs a little bit to load, but you can see as a reader, this is really nice. It has also some kind of reading option here for the screen, which makes it nice and clear during the night and very comfortable, so it's not a really bright white. By the way, I guess you have already noticed that I have activated the gesture navigation here. I'm not using the 3 dots here, so you can swipe for back, or you can go to the main menu like this. This works really good. And here the settings, I have found actually everything what we need. It's nice and clear and sleek, really good structure. It has really everything what we need here. It also comes with a camera app. I mean, it's a really simple camera app, but it has a front camera and it has a back camera, and we have a video mode and we have normal camera mode. And I've already been shooting a couple of images outside. You can see the quality, of course, is limited. Yeah, that's not a surprising thing for this price range, but still, if you have some decent light, then you can make some decent shots here. And that's the video which I've done. You can see it's not bad. The colors are not bad. I mean, for this price range, I would say it has been doing quite a good job. And in the net analyzer, we can see that it supports 5 gigahertz. You can see that here, and we can switch to the 2.4 gigahertz, and it has found all networks which are in this area. And as my personal highlight, we can even play Asphalt 8, a really nice racing game. Takes of course some time to load. So here we are with a little bit of action. You can see it works everything really good. I mean, I'm probably the worst player on earth, but you can see it's nice and smooth and you can do everything. There are no lags, nothing visible. It's doing a really good job. I mean, for this tablet, yeah, this is really awesome, definitely. And speakers are stereo, they work really well. We have them here on the back. two speakers work really well, and with a swipe up we have access to the app drawer. With a swipe down you have access to the quick menu or to access to all the settings here. By the way, yeah, the screen doesn't have an automatic mode, but I would say for most of the situations it's definitely bright enough. It doesn't have a face unlock, but you can always unlock it with the code which you add, and it never got really hot. It got a little bit warm during gaming. You have these nice keys here, on, off, and the volume, which sits in a perfect situation, especially for gaming. Also the speaker, I love this, that it's not at the bottom, but here a little bit above. This works absolutely good for gaming. And what's also nice is that we don't have a camera bump. I love this. Many new tablets have a camera bump, which is not needed. And so overall, I mean, it's also very lightweight, I have to tell you, and I had the impression that the battery is doing a good job. It seems to last pretty long, and so when we look at the low price, we can definitely not complain. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.